Today's tutorial will go over how to start a table, its tab, Pre-Auth tab, as well as adding items to that table. Click on a table. I'm clicking on Table 1 and adding 2 players. The tab screen will appear. Click on the far left column, then the Sales button. The credit card tab review screen will appear. We already have the Pre-Auth amount programmed to $25. Simply hit the Collect button and chip read your customer's card. The Pre-Auth checks to make sure the card is valid and $25 can be collected from it. Pre-Auth can also be set at higher amounts or incremental increases, and we'll get into that later. Return back to the tab screen with the button in the upper right-hand corner. You'll see now that the table has a tab of 0 on the chart. One way to add items is to press and hold the Sales button on the side to reach the tab review screen again, and the Sales button at the top to bring up the Sales menu. We'll add some glasses of wine and give the customers a tab of $35.50. Add to tab to be sent back to tab review. Because of the added items, Pre-Auth for the customer is now $50 instead of $25. We'll return back to the facility screen and hit the Sales button there. The table we started a tab for will be displayed here on the tab screen in a grid. Table 1's grid button can be clicked anywhere except the 3 corners, which perform other functions. Clicking anywhere on the tab box for Table 1 takes you back to the Sale menu, and we can add more drinks with Add to Tab. If we want to view the information of Table 1, click the green eye on the top right corner of the grid button. We can also view the same information by clicking on the table in the facility screen. Click on the far left part of the column, and click and hold the Sales button again to reach the tab review screen to view the same information. We can see that this is a pool table, as the rental cost is now $3. Tab total is $80.25, and the Pre-Auth has increased to $100 as it's $8.25 over the $75 threshold. Now to close this table out, we're going to return back one screen and hit the Close Table button at the top left of the screen. At the Collection screen, hit the Collect button at the bottom right. 2 boxes will appear, a white box for a new card, and a green box that has the card we pre-authed on file. Hitting the white box, you can use the same card for this tab, and hitting the green box will process the card on file and prompt the user for a tip, but that's it, as the signature was taken during pre-auth. Make sure to tune in and check out some of our other videos at definitivesynergy.com.